So, again, as a continuation of source transformation, let's solve another problem. So, this time around, let's find IO. Find IO. Find, ang ganda ng pagsulat ko. IO. So, how to solve this one? Yun nga, sabi dito, yung sa kanina, if we have this one, DS R, we can make it vice versa that ganito lang siya. So, ganun lang siya. We have IS. We have DS is simply equal to ISR, or DS is, hmm, we have IS is equal to VS over R. Ngayon, it's up to you kung saan yung gagamitin nyo dyan, as long as makuha niyo yung IO nyo dyan. So, in this case, saan tayo pwede? So, kung makikita nyo, pwedeng ito, i-simplify natin, gawing natin ganito, and also this one. But first, kasi alam natin na these three branches are in parallel. So, kung rearrange natin yan, mangyari dito is ganito. Kasi 5 ampere. And also this one is 6 ohms, and this one is 3 ohms. Times we have that one. 7 ohms, and also we have 3 ampere, and also we have 1 ohms at saka 4 ohms. So now, kung titignan nyo, these two are in series, these two here is in parallel. So, try natin i-simplify. So, we have 6 in parallel with 3. Ilan? We have 6 times 3 over 9. So, we have 2 amperes. Kasi 6 times 3, we have 18 divide 9, we have 2. So, we have 2 ohms. Ito is 5 volts. 5 volts. So, we have that one plus 5 volts. So, this one is 7 ohms dito. Ito yung hinahanapan. Also, we have this one. 3 amperes. So, we have 5. Hindi ba? Kasi series sila. So, we have 5 ohms. So, now, dito naman, pwede naman natin tong i-simplify. Di ba? Kasi pwede natin gawin ganito. Now we have 5 times 2, we have 10 minus plus. Tapos we have 2 ohms dito, we have 5 ohms. 7 ohms dito, we have IO. Tapos we have 3 ampere, and also we have 5 ohms. So dito naman, this one here, we can simplify naman to. We have this one. We can also simplify this one just like here. Now, erase natin to have another space for the koan. Oops. Ding, 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 ding. Now, itong mangyayari dyan is simply magiging 3 times 5, we have 15. And also, we have negative plus minus 10 volts, tapos ganito 5V we have 7 ohms, and also we have, di ba, mangyari dyan is we have 3 ohms at saka magiging, ay, hindi yan 3, 5 yan. 5 ohms, and also minus, tapos magiging 15 yan. Di ba? We have 15 volts. So now, we have here. So, this one, pwede natin gamitin yung loop analysis or mesh analysis. So, you can have this one. Try natin if name one loop 1, tapos loop 2. I2 dapat dito. So, we have I2. But, yan. So, we have at equation at I1, we have an equation na natin. We have 15 tapos 2I1. We have negative 15 plus 2I1. Ang negative 15 na to is kinuha natin dito. We have negative 10 plus negative 15. So, we have negative 15. Negative 10 tsaka negative 5. So, we have negative 15. So, we have 2 tapos dito naman plus 7 times I1 minus I2. Loop analysis, remember. So, we have that. So, equation, simplify natin, we have, what do we have? We have 9I1 minus 7I2 is equal to 15. And at loop I2 naman, we have, so we have here. At loop I2, we have, tignan niya, we have 7I1, I2 rather, I2 minus I1 plus 5I2 plus 15 is equal to 0. Simplify natin, we have negative 7I1 plus 12. I2 is equal to negative 15. So, now, if we use two unknowns, we have 1, 2. So, di ba? Kung titignan natin dito yung current natin. Ang IO natin dito, class, is we have I1 minus I2. Kasi yan, ito yung, we have ito siya, same direction, positive. Ito is opposite, so we have negative. The reason na naging ganyan. So, excuse me. Di ba? So, if we solve for two unknowns, ang makukuha natin na value is we have 1.2712 ampere at saka negative 0.5085. Now, we have IO natin is we have 1.2712 minus negative 0.5085. Lalabas dyan na answer is equal to 1.7797 ampere. So, ito yung makukuha mo na answer. Yan yung IO mo. But another one, kung yun nga, ibalik natin ito, another way of solving this one. So what if ito is, gawin ko to is yung as is na kanina, we have 3 ampere tsaka 5 ohms. What if ganon? Let's solve for in another way. So what if ganito yung gawin ko? So, what if, yun nga, we have 5 ohms to. 5 ohms, kasi series sila, di ba? And also, we have 3 ampere. 3 ampere. So, what if ito is, i-add ko ito. Itong 5 tsaka 2, tapos yung gagawin kong ganito. Tapos, ito yung kakalabasan. So, we have 15 divide 2, we have 7.5, di ba? So, we have 7.5 volts. Oops. So, ito. We have, di ba, hindi yan volts, but rather it's current. Kasi, ginawa natin is 5 plus 10, we have 15, divide 2, we have 7.5. Kasi ito yung gusto kong gawin dyan. We have ampere, entering in this. We have 2 ohms. Tapos we have 7 ohms. Now we have 5 ohms and also we have a current of 3 ampere. So now, 7.5 and also 3 ampere is entering in this node, kung mapapansin nyo. So meaning, we have 10.5 ampere. 10.5 ampere. Tapos, yung 10.5 ampere na yan is paghahati-hatian ni sa 2 ohms, 7 ohms, and also 5 ohms. But then, ang hinanap natin is kung ano yung nagpa-flow kay 7 ampere. By using current division, we have I7 is equal to yung kanina, 1 over 7 times 10.5 over 7 inverse plus 2 inverse plus 5 inverse. Ang 7 inverse class is parehas lang yan sa 1 over 7. So now we have I7 is simply equal to, let's calculate if it's that true. We have 7 inverse times 10.5 plus 7 inverse plus 2 inverse plus 5 inverse. So we have a value of 1.7797 kasi we have 1.77966, so round off yun. So in round off ko, we have 1.7797 ampere, and that's how you get I7 by using source transformation.